Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some incredibly exciting news to share with you. A brand new supercomputer simulation has just been released, and it's giving us groundbreaking insights into the mysterious origin of our moon. Buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into the fascinating world of lunar formation. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss any of our future updates. Let's get started.
A fresh take on the origin of Earth's moon. This new supercomputer simulation shows the moon may have formed in just a few hours. It's one of the highest resolution simulations of the moon's formation. The simulation starts with the collision of a Mars-sized body with our planet. Debris from the impact forms into two bodies. The smaller of the two will become the moon. The gravity of the larger body propels the smaller body forward and launches it on a wide and stable orbit. The simulation opens up new possibilities for the moon's evolution. And will help the researchers better understand the intertwined history of Earth and the moon.
Like, subscribe, press the bell icon.